How to create a free Amazon affiliate marketing website using Google Sites. Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your website using Google Sites for a Amazon affiliate link. So let's get into it. Now, it's very easy to become a associate on Amazon or a affiliate. You just have to sign up, recommend their products, and you can start earning commissions. And once you have become a affiliate, you need to make your website for your Amazon product. So you can either make this a hub of websites. So I have this website over here that I'm going to show you guys as an example. That is basically a general affiliate marketing website where I promote all of my affiliates, or you can make an individual website for individual products. So you can see over here, I have this hub website where I promote different products, and I have buy now categories over here where people can click and buy the items that I am promoting. Now, the other way you can do this is by making an individual site. So let's get started, and you can use a template from the template gallery over here. There are quite a few templates, but I wouldn't recommend them for an Amazon affiliate website. I find that if you do this with a blank slate, you're going to find it to be a lot more easier, and it doesn't take that much time as it would with editing a template. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on blank over here, and we're going to start with an empty canvas. Now, first off, you're going to start with this basic empty theme, and if you click on themes over here, you can change the overall look of your website. So let's change this up and leave it to this kind of theme. I think this looks better, and I'm going to change the color scheme as well. So I'm going to make it deeper colors. Maybe I want this to be, yeah, I think it looks best with yellow. And then you can change the font style as well, like this, but I'm going to keep it with capital. Now, once you have started off with the basic theme or basic color scheme, you're going to add your website name or whatever you want to display on your website at the start. So I would do best products to buy now, like so. And then what I'm going to do is on the top, you can see you can either add a logo or add your site name. So I'm going to do Amazon affiliates, just like that. I'm just naming this Amazon affiliates to show you guys that this is a Amazon affiliate video, but you can obviously rename this into something that fits better with your product. After you have done that, you can click on insert, and then you can add a layout or image or text box. Now, I would like to add multiple images, and then I like to add descriptions beneath them and a buy now button. So you can do this with this kind of basic layout, or depending on how many products you have. But if you have a singular product, you're going to add this layout. So we're just going to click over here, and this is going to add the layout. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go, and I'm just going to search for sweater or jacket. I don't have an affiliate link, but obviously you're going to add the images for the affiliate that you actually have. So this is not an affiliate, but I'm just going to use this as a sample. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this image, or you're going to save whatever image that your affiliate link actually has. And now what I'm going to do, now that I have saved this image, I'm going to click on this plus icon over here, and I'm going to click on upload. Now I'm going to upload the image that I just downloaded. I'm going on the assumption that this is the product that I'm promoting. This is my affiliate link, or this is going to be the affiliate that I'm going to be promoting. So after that, I'm going to resize this image to fit my product a bit better. And you can resize this as per needed, but it's going to do it like so. So after I have resized my image, you can also choose to place it wherever you might find it better. But obviously I'm going to be placing it right over there on the side because I'm doing this as a individual product. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the text. So I'm going to open up my actual Amazon link, and I'm going to copy the text from the title like so. And you can obviously change it up as well, but I'm going to keep it the same, and it depends on you and what kind of aesthetic your website is going to be running on, because if you're doing multiple products, then you might want to change the titles, because Amazon titles can be a bit too detailed for a basic affiliate marketing website. Now after that, I'm going to go into this section, the description section, and if there is a good description for your item, you're going to add that down here. You're going to paste it like so. So after you have created this, what you're going to do is you're going to insert a link on the image. So once you click on an image, you're going to have this icon pop up, and you're going to click on insert link, and you're going to go onto your Amazon affiliate link you're going to be adding your own actual affiliate link, but I'm just adding the link directly from the Amazon website. And I'm going to paste this, and I'm going to apply this. And now you can see over here, this link is going to appear when someone clicks on this item. Now, after that, I would suggest that you even add a button down below that says buy now. So how you do that is if you actually go onto your insert section on the right over here, if you scroll down, you're going to be able to find buttons over here, and you're going to add a name for your button. So it's a buy now button, and then you're going to add your link. So I just copied that link and I'm going to paste that. I'm going to click on insert over here. I'm going to resize this button and I'm going to place it at the center of my page like this. Now you can also choose the style of your button. So if you want it to be outlined, if you want to change to text only, or if you want it to be filled. What you can also do is if you go onto the button section like so, if you click on this and click over here, you can change the styles from here as well, and you can add images to the background as well for a certain section of your website. So if you wanted to add like a background image, you can do that as well. But I don't like to add any background images, but you can if you want. And you can make a readability adjustments to the background images like so. So the text on top of it is more readable. Now, this is how you make a basic website promoting a affiliate. And I'm just going to publish this and show you guys how this is going to work. So this is going to be your basic link for your Google site. And after that, this is just a jacket, so I'm gonna add legendary jacket. So this is not taken, and I'm going to click on publish. And now that my site has been published, I'm just going to click on view over here, and I'm going to show you guys how the affiliate link works. So if anyone visits your website, they're going to view, and if they click on the image, you can see over here that I'm being redirected to the Amazon product that I was promoting. And if I even scroll down onto the bottom button over here and I click on buy now, you can see that I have been redirected to the Amazon product item or Amazon listings. So this is how simple and easy it is to create your Amazon affiliate website or any other affiliate website using Google Sites. The best part about using Google Sites as your website builder is that you can create multiple websites on a singular email account. So you guys can see over here, I have logged into my email account, and on this account only, I have 5 websites that are running. I have a restaurant website, I have a student portfolio, a photo portfolio, and I have 2 affiliate websites. So you can create individual product websites using Google Sites because it enables you to create unlimited amounts of websites without having to pay for hosting or domain names or any of that. So that is why I prefer using Google Sites. And the best part is that you can see this dashboard is very manageable. If you just click on this, you can remove and rename your websites as well. The general editing process of Google Sites is very simple as compared to maybe Wix, where you're gonna need a lot more time and effort to design something that looks cohesive, while because Google Sites is so simple and they don't allow you a lot of customization, this enables your website to look professional. Even if you don't design it a lot, you're still gonna have a very decent looking website that doesn't look like it has been scrambled together. So you can use the Google Sites platform for any kind of affiliate website or any basic website as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to create your own website for your affiliate marketing links for your Amazon affiliates using Google Sites. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.